This may be controversial, but sometimes a cooling off period can be really bad for buyers.
Picture this. The open house is busy and the agent seems to have taken a liking to you. She's really helpful. She says, just make an offer. It's okay. You can get a cooling off period, and if you change your mind or if you can't get financed, you can just back out on Monday or Tuesday.
Doesn't sound risky at all, right? Well, wrong.
You're emotionally on the hook as soon as you sign the contract or submit a written offer, depending on which state you're in. If you realize that you're making a big mistake and you can back out, behavioural science says that you're not likely to. It's so much harder to back out once you've taken such a big step.
There is often a financial penalty too, commonly calculated at around 0.25% of the agreed purchase price. So that's about $1,500 if the price is $600,000 or $2,000 on an $800,000 purchase, and so on.
Another important concern is that there might be things that you need change in the contract, or there might be offer conditions that you have to get right before you submit your written offer.
Once you sign on the dotted line, even if you have a cooling off period, there's no guarantee that those changes will be agreed to, or it could turn out that the way you wrote the conditions left you terribly exposed.
Always get the contract reviewed by a property lawyer or conveyancer before you commit yourself.
Want to be an educated first-time buyer? Check out our online course for first-time buyers.
Avoid costly mistakes, make smarter decisions, and get into your first home sooner. Why waste time doing things the hard way?